Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. It's been a little while since I've posted a food video. I've been putting a lot of, well, not a lot. It's only been two videos of me playing the drums to some salsa music. Those are called timbales, by the way. So I have quick dinner. I made some mashed sweet potatoes. This is just some frozen corn. Yeah, I don't care. I use frozen corn. All tastes the same to me. This is some pork chops. So it's dinner time. Time to eat. I'm gonna try not to scrape the fork every time I take a spoonful. Whatever. But I have one whole sweet potato here. I always mash in white potato, or I normally buy white potatoes, but I guess you could do it with any other type of potato. For me, it's just a texture thing. I love sweet potatoes, but mashed they get a little too wet, I guess. I don't know. I just like the texture better when it has a different kind of potato in there. I'm gonna mix this up so I don't get corn everywhere. It's all going in the same place, who cares? Case in point. Let's see, these pork chops, I just seasoned up with adobo, garlic powder, and pepper, the big three. I mentioned it in a few other videos, I believe. But I just love the flavor it gives off, especially with pork chops. And then I broil these. You gotta keep an eye on them though, because things can get out of hand in there. I've definitely burned a few pork chops in my day. But, I finally brought a napkin to today's video. I always forget these. I always end up with greasy ass hands. And I got a drink too. It's just water, but I always forget those two things. And by the time the video's done, I have greasy fingers and I'm parched as all hell, so. Don't mind me. Pork chops are one of my favorite things, especially around the bone. You get all the seasoning and the little bit of the marrow. It gets nice and cooked. And the meat is a little bit more moist. And yes, I will take both of these down. I really love pork chops with rice and beans, white rice and white beans or red beans, black beans, any kind of bean, and you know, the sauce that it comes in goes really well together. I didn't make that today because I did rice and beans in another video with chicken wings, but down the line I'll do another one. See, closer you get into the bone, the meat is more moist. And that's all that's left. It's been over a week since has it been over a week? Since I put up a eating video, whether it be a ASMR or mukbang. I've been into playing my drums more lately. I'm gonna keep putting videos of both. I wanted to do a food one last week, but I had the week off. I spent a lot of time with my family, and I didn't have much time. This might look burned on camera, I'm noticing, but it's just slightly charred, I guess. Tastes really good. I'm pretty sure I'll be left with lots of leftovers after our Thanksgiving. I gotta do a video then to show you guys how my family gets down. It's literally like a buffet. Bunch of different foods. There's turkey, but there's also another cut of meat there. I actually did a video, penne. That's always a big one. It's pork shoulder. over here dropping shit. Save the best for last as I drop more stuff. That was good. I was really hungry. I haven't eaten since, what time is it now? It's 7 o'clock over here. I haven't eaten since about 12. Been running around all day. But anyway, I know it's close to Thanksgiving, so I hope everybody has a great one with their families and loved ones. Thanks for tuning in. Like, hit the bell, subscribe, comment. Any questions, just let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.